This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332. Enjoy outdoor living with a beautifully manicured lawn surrounded by new privacy fencing and a durable, low-maintenance concrete patio perfect for dining right outside the French doors of the house. This level lot with extra parking and a single-level house with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms make it ideal choice for any buyer. Care and attention to detail are displayed throughout the home with the several aesthetic and functional updates made by the homeowners. The newly renovated kitchen has been repainted and updated stainless steel appliances have been installed, including a gas range and built-in microwave. Solid surface counters, which are easy to clean and resistant to stain and bacteria, have been installed. The cabinets have been upgraded with easy pull-out shelves. Low-care laminate graces the living room and bedrooms, while chic tile flooring has been installed in the 2 full bathrooms and kitchen. The spacious living room is enhanced by the wood-burning stove decorated with a slate mantel that is open to the dining area and kitchen. The home has newer dual-paned windows which are both energy efficient and reduce outside noise, an 8-year-old roof, a brand new evaporative cooler, central propane heat and new interior paint. The master bedroom suite contains 2 closets, a built-in cabinet for extra storage, and a bathroom with a walk-in tiled shower, and 2 shower heads, one an overhead rain shower head. There are 2 bedrooms with lighted fans on the opposite side of the house and a bathroom nearby with tub/shower combination that is also tiled with slate. Closeted indoor laundry is next to the bathroom. With the community pool in Sonora Meadows and its close proximity to both historic Sonora and Twain Harte, it's hard to find something not to love about this place. For more information, review the details below or contact Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332 at 209-532-7400.